Hi, this is John with Bank Account Bonus Central, and today's video is all about how to profit from unused credit limits. We're talking about the Capital One Quicksilver card and how you can make 1,200, 2,200 off of unused credit limits. You do not have to get a brand new credit card to make money off credit cards. And this is a video in the ever popular Infinite Loop series. So super excited about sharing this with you. Quick warning, this video is definitely not short, but it definitely is profitable. There's a whole bunch of different ways to profit off this video. So before we jump into too many details, I do have a quick disclaimer. So I am a customer of Capital One. They were like the second credit card I got in my life, which I still have. So I'm a customer of Capital One. I'm not affiliated by them. I am not endorsed by them. This is my own personal review for informational purposes only. All the information on this video is correct as of the time of this recording, and all these screenshots are from either their website or my emails. So jumping in. So when was the last time your bank paid you $1,200 or more for your unused credit limits? As I said, you don't have to sign up for new credit cards to get the big sign-up bonus. You can take advantage of balance transfer offers. And this is my first balance transfer offer I'm taking advantage of. I did not realize how profitable these things are, and this will definitely not be my last one. So how much money am I talking about? Well, I have a $3 million challenge for the year 2023. I want to help at least 1,000 people get at least $3,000 each from these videos in 2023. If you can appreciate profitable content like this on a consistent basis, do me a favor and hit this video with a huge thumbs up. Definitely appreciate that. All right, so once again, shout out to my friend of the channel, and inspiration for the Infinite Loop and pickleball champion of the world, Mr. Financial Gymnastics, Scott. Definitely appreciate you, brother. Your influence on me to continuously encourage me to keep taking this thing up to the next level. So eventually I will get to the HELOC level, but until then, I can only dream and inspire others to do the same. All right, so before I go any further, do have to mention a really cool bonus for using Walmart Plus. I love Walmart Plus. They take all the stuff that they have and they deliver it straight to your door. You never have to set foot in a Walmart ever again, which is really nice. All right, so Walmart Plus, if you check out their site here, so I've been doing this since July 2023. They've already saved me 19 hours of they've already saved me 19 hours of shopping and $181. They got a really cool offer, double your fuel savings. So limited time offer. Normally they offer 10 cents back on Exxon and Mobil, but now they have doubled that. So it's 20 cents a gallon, which is a really cool way to save money. So save 20 cents on every gallon at Exxon and Mobil gas stations. Double your savings with your Walmart Plus fuel benefit from August 15th to September 15th. So that is really cool. So 3-step program on doing that. So number one, you got to be in with Walmart Plus. You visit your nearest Exxon or Mobil station, sign into your Walmart account, use the Walmart app. Then you enter your fuel pump number, select your grade, begin fueling. Your 20-cent saving will be applied, and you'll get a digital receipt. So on top of that, or you can do a QR code that appears on the pump screen, select your fuel grade and pumping, bam, you'll get the receipt showing the 20 cents saved. On top of that, you can pay for your gas with either the Chase Freedom, the OG card, the Chase Freedom Flex, or the Discover It card and get either 5 or 10% back. So stacks on stacks on stacks of savings. So saving 20 cents a gallon can really add up fast because gas is not cheap for your car. And if you're not in with Walmart Plus, definitely would encourage you to use my referral link. Why? Because you get $20 for using it. Well, I do too. So there's that. So link to Walmart Plus if you're not in with them. So share walmartplus.com/John and Mia. Yes, I will tell you this. My kids have a Papa John and a Mama Mia. So there's that. So there's the link, QR code, link in the description box down below. Also, churningadventures@gmail.com. You could email me and ask for the link, and I'll send it right out to you. So, recently made a video, back to churning credit cards. So, recently just made a video about how to profit off of Bank of America, how I'm getting $12,000 out of them. So, I'll have a link to that video here. And in case you're, well, not, I'm moving ahead of myself. Okay. So as I said, I am a huge fan of what I call the infinite loop. And I'm constantly looking for different ways to put more money to work to make more money. As they say, always be probing. So my goal is to have a total of 77,000 of not just my money, but the bank's money, making me money by taking the infinite loop to the next level within the next 2 months. It'll probably happen within the next month because Chase Inc. already made a video on that. I already have 25K on the Inc. Unlimited card sitting in a credit union in Florida that's going to be due in December. So I started that December. I got to pay it off in this upcoming December. Chase Freedom Unlimited, I'm about to hit that for 30,000. I made a video on that. Bank of America just made a video on this and shared the link to that. And this is Capital One. So if you add all these numbers, you get 77,000. If you're interested in the Capital One Quicksilver card, if you don't have this card, definitely would ask you to use my referral link. One hand washes the other in this fun and profitable game. So here's my link, QR code, link in the description box down below, or churningadventures@gmail.com. So, all right, so moving on to what Capital One has to offer. So a lot of my videos start out what I call innocently enough with an email from a bank. And Capital One sent me about literally like 6,000 of these emails. I just delete them. And then I started thinking, well, if I'm eventually want a HELOC and I'm willing to pay 2 or 3% for a HELOC, why not just take smaller money now for 3%? So there's that. So we're excited to get you 0% APR for 12 months, John, July 27th, July 13th, and a whole bunch more. So click open the email and you'll see avoid interest with this balance transfer offer. 0%, 12 months, 3% fee. Here's where they get you on it. So if you don't pay it off back within 12 months, so any remaining balance will return to your 24.74% APR. So if you're going to do this, you got to be careful about it. Pay it off when it's due. So 0% for 12 months, 3% APR. So basically for $10,000, you pay $300. You can make a whole lot more. So originally, I had a $5,000 limit because you're only limited to take out whatever your limit is. I called and said, hey, y'all send me 6,000 emails. I want to do a balance transfer. Hook me up with a bigger limit because I got a large purchase coming up. I'm buying some CDs. I didn't tell them that, but I'm buying some CDs. They were able to give me a $10,000 limit with just a soft pull to my credit. So shout out to Capital One for that. My voice is starting to die. So hopefully we'll see if we make it through the end of this video. So my limit went from 5,000 to 10,000. And in order to do balance transfer, you hit I want to, and then click transfer a balance. So you can see offers you have. The top one's a good one. The bottom one is not. You'll avoid a $300 fee, but you're jumping into the fire with almost 25% interest. So here's the good one. You pay a 3% fee, but you get 0% APR for 12 months. So I selected that one. Terms and conditions, I just said it over and over. 0%, 12 months, 3% fee. Will I be opening up a new credit card with this? No, you're using your old credit card. What kind of balances, can I transfer? Credit cards, student loans, personal loans, any kind of loan. Except for ones that are issued by Capital One, including Walmart. Well, I did not know that Walmart was the issuer for the Walmart card. I'm sorry, that Capital One was the issuer for the Walmart card. Union Plus, Teamster Privilege, looks like the union's involved. Williams, Sonoma, Pottery Barn, Kohl's, Bass Pro Shops. I used to actually work there for about 2 weeks, 23 years ago. Cabela's, so there's that. Can I become ineligible? Yes. If they don't think that you'll be able to pay it off, then they can deny you. How long will it take? Up to 15 days. Will you earn rewards? Nope. Do I still need to make monthly payments? Yes. So very common question I get all the time is, so if I get 10,000, I need to pay 1%, which is $100 per month. Not a big deal. Can you avoid interest? Yes. Pay it back on time and you won't pay interest. Verification method. Thank you for verifying your identity. So interesting thing. If you ever look at my phone, and you hit text message, you'll see a whole bunch of 6-digit verification codes from like all the banks. So they know who I am and I know who they are. All right, so give me two options. And this is my first balance transfer, so I wasn't completely sure which one would be better, to have them send the money straight to the credit card or send the check to me. Well, I thought that the second option would be the more interesting option. Send the check directly to me, and I'll go deposit it directly to Chase and start rolling. Recipient information: who would you like to pay? Send it to me. Account details: how much you want to take out. I hit maximum amount. So my credit limit's 10,000, so I'm able to get 9,999.99. It's going to cost me $291.26. So recipient information, amount, review, transfer details. So same thing. They're going to give me 9,700 for 12 months for a $291 fee. Not bad at all. Make a lot more doing opening up accounts than paying the 300. It's in progress, and we'll begin to wind down this video with different emails. So my limit's down to 291, and thanks for the balance transfer request. It's being processed. So if you don't have Capital One Quicksilver card, it is one of my favorite cards for this game. It's got a couple sweet superpowers for the Infinite Loop. I did make a video about this card before. Excuse me. So two of the superpowers for this card are 0% for 15 months. That's brand new. Getting this card 0% for 15 months. Capital One is friendly to the funding. They have one-time $200 cash bonus after spending $500, which is pretty sweet. And of course, the transfer fee 0% for 15 months. Oh, mine's only for 12 months. Okay, well, that's fine too. All for a 0% annual fee and unlimited 1.5% for purchases that you actually make. So there's that. Made a video about Capital One Quicksilver Infinite Loop credit card. Bam. So how you can make money off of that. Link to that video is here. So I said, if you're interested in that card, here's my link one more time. The QR code, description box down below, or you can always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So what are the best cards to do the balance transfer for? So first you want to hit one of these cards. The best one right now, the best one in the game, is the Chase Inc. preferred card. There is a massive 100,000 point bonus, which is equal to $1,000 in cash back or $1,250 towards travel when you use the Chase Travel Portal. So spend 8,000, get $1,000 back plus 1%. So that is a phenomenal offer. It's been 2 years since I personally got my last Inc. preferred card. I plan on getting another quick and easy $1,000 bonus. That's something I'm definitely interested in. About to take advantage of again. So if you're interested in any of these Chase Inc. cards, definitely want to use my referral link. It will help you get approved. So there's the link, QR code, link in the description box, or you could always email me at churningadventures@gmail.com. So I have just documented my very first balance transfer, the ability to get almost $10,000 for 12 months for less than $300. That's a screaming deal. I'm going to end up making well over $1,000, plus another $1,000 off the Inc. preferred card. So that's $2,000. That's pretty easy. It's not hard to find CDs, so you can fund the credit card and make more than 10%. Email me if you have any questions about this. I will be more than happy to help you out personally. So I still have comments off for these videos, but if you have any questions, comments, concerns, complaints, or criticisms, churningadventures@gmail.com, and I will get back to you rather quickly. Well, I go back to work as a teacher. I am back at work as a teacher, so as soon as I can. All right, so today's question: who keeps the universe from falling apart? So, interesting question, something I've been pondering about. And today's answer is from Colossians chapter 1. It says, Christ is the visible image of the invisible God. He existed before anything was created and is supreme over all creation. For through him God created everything in the heavenly realms and on earth. He made the things we can see and the things we can't see, such as thrones, kingdoms, rulers, authorities in the unseen world. Everything was created through him and for him. That's a huge statement. He existed before anything else, and he holds all creation together. That is a huge responsibility. I'm responsible for, a few dozen kids in a classroom, but to hold all of creation together, that is huge. I mean, scientists can't even understand how gravity works, but to hold all of creation together, that is huge. Additional information about this, about the one who holds all creation together, is right here, How to Follow Jesus. Link in the description box down below. And if you're still here with me, my voice is almost dead. Like the video if you appreciate profitable content on a consistent basis. Share this with anybody who's able to benefit from it, and subscribe with bell notification so you can be amongst the first to profit from such profitable content. And with that, look forward to seeing the next one. Peace, and may God bless you.